Domihi animas chataratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father Jen po, STB. We are now in the 8th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And the message of our celebration for today is really teaching us to go deeper to our hearts and purify and really question the intention of our act. Kung anong dahilan, kung anong nag-motivate sa atin, why we are doing the things that we are doing every day. But in our gospel for today, taken from the Gospel of Luke chapter 6, verse 39 to 45, specifically, we are being asked, what is the intention of our heart in correcting our brothers and sisters? Kung bakit natin sinasabihan ng ating mga kapatid sa kanilang pagkakamali. Because the question of the Lord, can a blind man can guide another blind man? Sinasabi pa nga niya, bago mo i-correct ang iyong kapwa, siguraduhin mo munang nakokorek mo ang iyong sarili. Kung anong dinidemand mo sa iyong kapwa, you have to make sure that you are also trying your best to fulfill this demand to yourself. Sapagkat the intention of our act should be moved according to what is in our hearts. We are correcting our brothers and sisters, not because we want to prove that we are better than them. But our action, katulad nga po na sinasabi sa atin ng unang pagbasa, should be moved because of our concern, because of what is in our hearts, because of our love to one another. As Christians, we have duties and responsibility to help each other, to reach the perfection that the Lord is asking us. And we don't like that our brothers and sisters to remain in their sinful act sa kanilang pagkakamali. Therefore, we help each other to reach perfection, na makorek natin ang ating mga pagkakamali sa buhay. And the intention of what moved us because of our love. We are correcting each other not to put them down. Hindi natin sinasabihan ng ating mga kapwa para mapahiya sila at mapatunayan na mas magaling ka kesa sa kanila. But your action should be moved out of your concern, out of your care, out of your love. At kung ito po ang yung reason, the intention of your act, katulad po ng pangalawang pagbasa, our actions will bring life rather than death. Because if our action is done because you want to prove that you are better than them, not actually because you love them, your relationship will die. Death in your relationship will come. Kasi si Kristo was able to give His life for us because of His love. He wants to correct us because He is concerned, because He wants us to fulfill the dream of God, and that is holiness, our goodness. And because of that, nagkaroon tayo ng buhay sa Kanyang pagkokorek. At ito po yung ginagabay sa atin ng ating Panginoon in our celebration for today. Let the purpose of our act in correcting one another, let it be because of your love, because of your concern, because you want to lift them up sa kanilang pagkakalugmok, sa kanilang pagkakamali. At mararamdaman ito ng ating kapwa that we are doing this because of your love. And because of that, mas lalong lalalim ang iyong relasyon at lalong magbubunga at mabubuhay ang inyong samahan. This is the teaching that the Lord is presenting to each and every one of us in our celebration. Kung kaya nga po ang ating salmong tugunan, taken from Psalm 92, yun po yung sinasabi, Lord, it is good to give thanks to you. It is good to praise, to correct, to guide our brothers and sisters, so that together we will be able to praise and thank the Lord for the goodness that He has done for each and every one of us. Let the example of Christ be our guide in how He correct us and how He guide us towards perfection. That is because of His love for us, so that our actions may bring life and a deeper relationship to one another. Not distraction, not death in our relationships. Let our act, let the intention of the works that we are doing comes from our love for one another. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.